Welcome to your Mindspo nervous system regulation meditation. My name is Rochelle Fox, and let's begin this practice together with eyes open, grounding yourself here and now in this moment as we flow through some simple seated somatic exercises. Take a deep breath in through your nose and a long audible sigh out through your mouth. Again, inhale deeply through the nose and exhale, let something go. Breathing in and exhaling, letting it all soften. Now bring your arms up to your chest and cross them over your body as you begin tapping down over your chest and shoulders in a slow, steady rhythm. As you tap, connect to your body beneath your touch. Inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth as you just keep tapping your arms down. Beautiful. Now flow your hands down the opposite arm until your palms meet, and gently start to rub your palms together, creating friction and warmth. Feel the energy that you're generating, building up your life force and your healing energy as you rub your palms together. Keep rubbing, and now stop and make a peace sign with your fingers, and then bring this peace sign up to your ears and gently stroke up and down either side of your ears, creating friction here, rubbing either side of your ears. Just keep rubbing. And now release and just take your fingers and begin to massage your ears, creating gentle circular motions around your earlobes, feeling the outer ridges of your ears, the curves, and just keep massaging your ears gently as you repeat after me. It is safe to relax. It is safe to let go. All is well. I can release and just be here. Now let your arms float away from your ears and just place one hand on the back of your neck and take your other hand over your heart and just hold yourself here. Taking a deep breath in through the nose and exhale out the mouth. Just feel the warmth of your own touch, the support, the stillness, And just breathe into that safety. You can relax here. You can let go. You are safe. All is well. And now, slowly let your hands rest gently in your lap. And just take a deep breath in through the nose and exhale out the mouth. And now, close down your eyes and let your awareness drift inwards. Taking another slow, deep breath in through the nose and a slow exhale out through the mouth. Again, inhale calm, peace, and presence. Exhale any tension and let go. Now, with your eyes closed, we'll introduce a breath practice to help regulate your vagus nerve. We're going to breathe in through the nose for a count of 4 and exhale with a humming sound for 6. This gentle hum will help tone your vagus nerve and regulate your nervous system. Don't worry what it sounds like. Just hum along and breathe with me. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hum, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Follow my breath and hum with me. We'll repeat for 5. You can go back to normal breathing now. Taking another long breath in and exhale, fully release. Let your nervous system settle. Let your body relax into stillness. The world will always keep moving, but you can choose to pause, to be, to meet this moment, the infinite now, where peace and presence always reside. So be here now with your breath, with your beautiful, powerful body, with this sacred moment, and just focus on your breath flowing in and out, following the energy of your breath as it enters your body and following it as it flows out of your body. Staying with your breath. As you begin to hear the birds, the whispers of nature, and with your eyes still closed, take your arms and gently wrap them around yourself in a big, nice, warm hug. Grounding into this state of regulation, this powerful peace and presence that you have cultivated. Giving yourself a big, big squeeze, sending your body love, gratitude, and so much appreciation for carrying you through today and every day. And now you can let go as you begin to open your eyes and just feel into your own presence and peace. This meditation was day 1 of the Mindspo app 75-day regulation journey, designed to help you tap into an expanded capacity for joy and clarity in just 15 minutes a day. You can continue this journey by clicking the link in the description to try it for free for the next 7 days.